Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to control Google Chrome Private State Partitioning, step by step, updated for 2026. Private State Partitioning is a privacy feature that isolates cookies, cache, and site storage across different websites to prevent cross-site tracking. While this improves privacy, it can sometimes cause login issues or break embedded content. Let's begin. First, open Google Chrome and go to Settings arrow Privacy and Security arrow Third-party cookies. If third-party cookies are blocked, Chrome applies strict partitioning. For trusted websites that need shared access, add them under sites that can always use cookies. Next, review site permissions. Open Settings, arrow Privacy and Security arrow, Site Settings, arrow All Sites. Select the affected website and confirm cookies, storage, and pop-ups are not blocked. Now open Developer Tools. Using Control plus Shift plus I or Command plus Option plus I, go to the Application tab and inspect Cookies, Local Storage, and Indexed DB. You'll notice data is separated per top-level site, confirming partitioning is active. If you are testing or troubleshooting, open Chrome://flags and search for privacy or partitioning related flags. Reset any modified flags to default, then relaunch Chrome. Experimental flags can cause unexpected behavior. Next, check browser extensions, open Chrome://extensions, and temporarily disable privacy or ad blocking extensions. These tools often add extra isolation layers and may conflict with Chrome's partitioning system. If issues persist, clear site-specific data. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings, Storage, find the website and clear its stored data. This resets corrupted partitioned states. Finally, update Chrome. Open Chrome://settings/help and install any pending updates, then restart the browser. And that's it. By managing cookie settings, reviewing site permissions, inspecting storage behavior, resetting flags, and controlling extensions, you can properly control Google Chrome Private State Partitioning while maintaining strong privacy. If this guide helped you, like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step Chrome tutorials.